This is my new M43 camera and we're going to have some great fun with it, I hope. But firstly, I want to crack it open, let you see what's what I've got planned, and if I've got myself an absolute bargain or if it's a bit of a bust. But I think this could be something you need to check out. I was originally looking at an EPL3 from Olympus. It was dirt cheap, £70, but I just wasn't entirely sure about whether I'd be able to do what I want to do with it. And with this, one of the big things, the big thing for me is using vintage lenses with IBIS video. That is something we're going to be checking out. And personally, I'm just going to have a bit of fun with it. You've got to have personal projects. You just do, especially if you're a working photographer. Things can get, oh, they included a Patona dual USB, just like my Fuji one. Nice. Hey, thanks, chap. So we've got the quick guide in there. We've got the booklets, basic operating instructions, little lens thing. I mean, to be fair, there's a lot of nice lenses for the Micro Four Thirds setup. I've got a few recommendations already. I'm not really looking to buy lenses for this. It's all about the vintage, but you know, I might get one or two, but I'm not going to go crazy. Right, so one potato, two potato, two batteries there, plug there. This is basically like unboxing a brand new one, because look at it. USB there, and a nice strappy strap there. Right, that's sound as. This is lovely. 215. I think you can get these brand new even now for about maybe 400, 350, 400. Not with all this gear. So I've got myself a nice black number there. Thumb grip there. Yeah, thumb grip's alright actually. That is a sweet looking thing. Might put some tape over there just to make it all black. Half case. Now I don't use half cases that often. This does feel nice though. Worth noting, I do like I've got access to the battery and card slot. So obviously this is a decent, very decent bit of kit there. Right, let's get that half case out of the way. I originally put a bid on a silver top one, but I do much prefer this one. So glad the bid didn't go through basically. I was still humming and hawing to be honest. I mean, I don't need the camera for stills or anything. Let's see. I think we got our flippy up screen like some of the T bodies. No side flip, no front flip. That's all right. Not planning to use this for anything like vlog style stuff. I did look at it originally before I got the G7X2, but the lack of mic port and really the lack of flip out screen, which gives me more confidence when shooting pieces to camera, put me off. But this thing is jam packed with features. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. This 4K photo mode, 5-axis in-body stabilization. It's absolute sweet. Let's see if there's a battery in there. I need to get a memory card in there. I think for the price, this thing is absolute top value, and that's, yeah, I've got to get out and play with it for my particular purposes, but really nice. Yeah, the sensor, the Micro Four Thirds sensor is 16.1 megapixels, something like that, but that's more than enough for my application. I believe the 4K footage is nice and clean. I don't need to worry about audio with the projects I'm putting this to. We're going to get some adapters on there. Gobi are sending out a bunch of Micro Four Thirds adapters, so we're going to be featuring that very, very soon. And yeah, I like where that record button, it's nice and flush there actually. That record button, I guess it could stick out a bit more, but that's alright. The purpose of this video, other than to just show off and scare you a bit that I've got, not show off, you know what I mean, show off my new little bargain. I just want to hear from you guys if you're M43 users. I know a bunch of you are, you came over to Fujifilm, you stuck with your M43. I know at least one of you that went from Fuji back to M43. So I want to hear from you guys. Let us know what you think I should look out for with this system, what I really need to check out, and you know, any little tips that we can share. And I think I am going to put this back on. Where's my little 2-cent coin? Panasonic GX80. Is it a bargain or is it a bust? What do you reckon? Let us know in the comments below. A lot more to come from this very, very soon.